In a land where tradition speaks through generations, where honor is carried, not inherited, one man will stand between the wisdom of the past and the promise of tomorrow. Secrets buried beneath ancient customs, power hidden behind family loyalty, and a destiny no one saw coming. When truth finally arrives, everything will change. A story of heritage, a story of sacrifice, a story of the Igbo spirit. This season, experience the drama, feel the legacy, witness the future, only on Faith's Moon.